So I let an AI build my entire website. Not like help me with some copy. I mean a full rebuild from scratch. WordPress-to-Astro, AI agents doing the work, no developer touching it. And I shipped it without auditing a single thing. A few weeks later, I connected MeasureU.com to Search Atlas. It handed me a content score of 21 out of 100. Now, my technical SEO was basically in the gutter, and it told me I was getting 0 mentions on Gemini. Now, the last one, I'm a little bit skeptical, and I'll explain why in a minute. But the other stuff, the AI made a mess, and I had no idea. This is what I found. So here's the backstory. I've been in digital marketing for over 20 years, built and sold an 8-figure agency, spent the last decade teaching marketing analytics full-time. I know how to audit things, and yet, I handed my entire website rebuild to an AI agent and just trusted it. The promise of Astro was that it's faster, cleaner, better for SEO. And AI was supposed to handle the migration details. What could go wrong? Well, here's what nobody tells you about AI-built sites. The agent does a lot right, but it doesn't tell you what it quietly skipped. Missing page titles, thin content sections, technical stuff that used to work in WordPress that just didn't carry over. Now, you don't find out until something breaks or rankings drop. I wanted a way to catch it before it became a problem. If you're into real tests with real tools, hit subscribe. I do these walkthroughs regularly. Now, I want to be straight with you about this video. Search Atlas is sponsoring it, and I tested it on my live site. Not a demo account, not a fake domain, real data, real scores, real problems. That's the only way that I'm going to do a sponsored video. Search Atlas is positioning itself as the world's first agentic marketing platform. SEO, AI visibility, ads, social, all in one place. Now I wanted to find out if it held up. So let's get into what I found. Okay, so the first thing I did was run an AI SEO Diagnostic. 65 out of 100. Honestly, not terrible for a site that was just rebuilt by an AI with 0 human QA. But here's where it gets interesting. My authority score came back high. And that makes sense. I've been building this domain for years. But technical SEO, a disaster. UX, content structure, also in rough shape. And that's the thing about AI-built sites nobody warns you about. The stuff that's visible looks fine. It's the structural stuff underneath that quietly falls apart. My content score came in at 21 out of 100. 21. That number stung a little. But when I dug into why, it was mostly missing page titles and meta descriptions. Now look, some of those pages are things that I don't really care about. Staging content, internal pages, stuff that shouldn't be indexed. But enough of them were real pages that needed fixing. And Search Atlas didn't just flag the problem, it generated the replacement titles for me. I could either take those suggestions and feed them into my agent, or deploy them directly from inside the platform. Now that last part matters. Because of how they've built their Cloudflare integration, it can push changes directly to your site. Now, I'm somebody who's always trying to modernize my tech stack, and I'm excited that Search Atlas isn't just telling me what's broken, it's offering to fix it for me. That changes how you think about Search Atlas in your workflow. And the cool thing is that I'm already connected to Search Console within Search Atlas. So all my standard site metrics are pulling in domain authority, clicks, impressions, the stuff that you would expect to see in other SEO tools. You can see that I'm connected to Search Console. So if I look at my site metrics, it is going to pull in stuff around like my domain authority, the standard views we have that you might be used to seeing for other SEO tools. Nothing surprising here, but it's clean and it's all in one place, which is the theme you're going to keep on seeing with this platform. Okay, this is the part that I actually came here for, LLM Visibility. If you've been following what's happening in search right now, you already know this is the conversation. It's not just Google anymore. People are searching, aka asking questions on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, and they're getting answers that never touch a search results page, which means your rankings could be fine and your brand could still be invisible. Most SEO tools aren't tracking this yet. Search Atlas is. My overall LLM visibility score came in at 30 out of 100 across 5 different AI engines. Now, 30 sounds low, but here's what the breakdown showed. High sentiment across the board. 128 citations, meaning AI engines are referencing my content in their answers. That's a solid number for a niche B2B site. When I do show up, I'm showing up well. But then there is the Gemini number. It's at 0. Search Atlas is telling me that I have 0 presence on Gemini. But that's not exactly true. I know quite well that MeasureU.com shows up on Gemini answers all the time. I've seen it with my own eyes. So this is likely the result of the queries that they ran to test visibility. What did feel right was the share of voice comparison. It's showing me how I stack up against Funnel.io and CXL, two brands in adjacent spaces that they decided to compare me to. And when my site is getting mentioned by AI engines, I'm actually outperforming both of them for those queries. And the topics that it's tracking me on are mostly product type queries. Done for you measurement services, our insiders program, that sort of thing. Commercial intent topics, which tells me the visibility I do have is in the right lane. Now, quick question before I keep on going. Are you tracking your LLM visibility right now? Do you know if ChatGPT or Gemini are mentioning your brand? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Because here's the thing. Most of the people that I talk about with measurement, they're still treating SEO like it's 2022. Rankings, backlinks, technical fixes. And those things still matter. But if you're not watching how AI engines are talking about you or not talking about you, you're ignoring a channel that's growing every month. Okay, so after I saw the diagnostic scores, I went straight to Atlas Brain, and that's their built-in AI agent. And I typed in the most honest question I could think of. I just moved from Astro to WordPress. What do I need to fix still? And what it did next is what got my attention. It didn't just pull from a knowledge base and give me generic WordPress-to-Astro migration checklists. It went through my site, scanned it, cross-referenced the diagnostic data, and came back with specific issues tied to my domain. And that's a different experience than asking ChatGPT the same question. ChatGPT is going to give me the best practices. Atlas Brain is looking at MeasureU.com and telling me what's wrong with this site. That context matters. And here's where the accountability angle clicked for me. I use an AI agent to build the site. Now I'm using a different AI agent to audit what the first one missed, which is probably how things are going to work moving forward. I'm pretty sure of it. Now, you're not going to have one agent that does everything perfectly. You're going to have agents checking agents. And having that audit layer built into your SEO platform rather than having to go back to a separate tool, that's a workflow that I can see myself using. What it flagged matched a lot of what the diagnostic already showed. Technical issues that didn't carry over from WordPress. Structural things the Astro migration missed. Things that I would eventually have found, but probably when rankings started slipping. Instead, I found it now, before it cost me anything, which is exactly what I needed this test to do. Okay, let me tell you what Search Atlas is. Because the SEO Diagnostic and the LLM Visibility stuff, that's the part that pulled me in. But the bigger pitch is something different. Search Atlas is trying to be the last marketing platform that you open. SEO, AI visibility, Google ads, Facebook ads, social, all inside one dashboard. And I know what you're thinking. Every tool says that. But I can see they are actually doing it. It's not just that they have all these features. It's that they're connected to each other. My Search Console data is already in there. My site diagnostics are already in there. So when I go and look at my ads or my social, the context is already there. I'm not stitching data together from 5 different tabs in 5 different tools. They also have a website studio. You can generate PPC landing pages directly inside the platform. Now, full disclosure, I couldn't demo that fully. You need to have your ads account connected first, and mine wasn't set up at the time of the recording. But the workflow is there. Generate a landing page, tie it to your campaign, and deploy it. Worth it if you're running paid search. And then there's the Cloudflare piece, which I keep coming back to. Most SEO tools tell you what to fix, and then they wave goodbye. You go implement it somewhere else, in some other system, hope your developer gets to it this week. Search Atlas can push changes to your site because of how Cloudflare integration works. For somebody like me who's trying to modernize everything, that's not a small thing. That's removing an entire step from the workflow. So, who is this built for? Marketing practitioners and agency owners who are sick of managing 6 different subscriptions. People who are already deep into their SEO tools, but now need to start tracking LLM visibility, and they want that to live in the same place as everything else. Now, if you're running a lean team and you want one platform that handles the research, the audit, the visibility tracking, and the development, Search Atlas is worth a serious look. It's not perfect. The Gemini thing gave me a pause. And some of the ads features need more setup than I had time for. But the core SEO plus AI visibility combination on a live site with real data, that part worked great. So here's where I landed. I came into this with one question. Did the AI actually do a good job rebuilding my site? And the honest answer is kind of. The bones are solid. Domain authority is strong. The migration preserved most of what mattered. But the details? Missing titles, weak content scores, technical gaps from the migration, those were a real problem. And I found them because I ran this audit before anything broke. That's the thing I keep on coming back to with Search Atlas. It's not that any single feature blew me away. It's that I got the SEO audit, the LLM visibility score, the competitor comparison, and the AI agent in one session on my own site without switching tools once. For somebody running a lean operation, that's a real-time argument. The link to Search Atlas is in the description, and if you want to run the same audit on your own site, that's where to start. I'd recommend connecting Search Console first, then go straight to the LLM Visibility tab. That number alone will tell you something most of your competitors still don't know about themselves. Comment Search Atlas below and I'll send you a link to get started. And if you want to go deeper on AEO as an emerging service, that video is right here. Watch that next. It's the context that makes everything in this video make more sense.